Hey, it's James here. Got an exciting update. I know I get excited about some of these things, but this one is super cool. We've got under integrations, under automotive integrations, we've got now HaynesPro. So with an integration with our partners Haynes, you can come in here and activate it. You can go and purchase lookups. They're just a few cents each, but they'll make you so much more efficient and save you a heap of time. Let's take a look. If we go into the transaction center and we do a job, an invoice, a booking, whatever it might be, a quote, what we can do is we can jump down here and you'll see once you've got this activated, you've got HaynesPro labor times. You can jump in here. This makes a call off to our provider and it brings back all of the information about the services on this vehicle. So for argument's sake, if I wanted to do, let's say, a 10,000 kilometer service, 100,000 kilometer service, I can add that onto the job. And it gives you optional things that's specific to the service. So if you were doing the service and you were doing certain things, there's specific labor items that are applicable to that service. Alternatively, you can go to repair times and you've got different sections of the vehicle. And so for argument's sake, we can go into brakes and we choose then the section of or the category of brakes. And let's say we want brake pads and we're going to do, say, the front brake pads or something like that. We can add that to cart. We can go view cart. This has got these two items on here. We can go check out. And what this does is it returns it back into workshop software. This is all done in real time. You can see how quick and easy that was. It's come in at the right price, the right amounts, all that sort of stuff. But the really cool thing now is if you go and have then a look at the job card, you'll see that you've got the 100,000 kilometer service and it's got all of the things that need doing, right? So this is where it's going to save you a heap of time. Similarly on the invoice, and you can edit this information as well, but on the invoice, you've got all of these things as well. So super cool too. So this has just been released. We've got some more stuff coming around this as well, which we're super pumped about too. We're going to get more data to you, things like lubricants and so on. So that's coming really, really shortly too. But we're really excited about this. Take a look. I think this is going to really save your workshop time and be super efficient. Thanks for watching.